arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Gladiator Sport S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black cloth low-back bucket seats, bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, black 3-piece hard top included, freedom panel storage bag rear window defroster rear sliding window no soft top, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112 GPS antenna input, quick order package 24S included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic.